Hey there, Linda here. I just wanted to share a little haul I have for you to introduce a new to me shop called Archie's Goodies. And the creator is here in Italy, so I do like to be a patron, especially of creatives and illustrators and basically that are here locally. It arrives fast in the mail, and of course, I get to discover sort of new artists that are not necessarily known globally. So I got my little order here and I've got a bunch of stickers as well as some washi tape. And I'm going to pull out my stationery addict insert here, which is where I document sort of the new products that I get and sort of ephemera, tidbits, and things that I want to keep from the packaging. So you can see I'm carefully removing all the things so that I can add it to my insert. And I'm not very precious about like these layouts in the insert. I just stick the stuff in just so that I can remember. It's sort of like a Happy Mail insert, collecting all the things. So here I am opening up this package, and you can see I got a freebie sticker there, and then this is the package that I ordered, and this beautiful sticker sheet, the night sky. I just love the colors. I'm a big fan of purple, and I also got these two washi tapes. One is coffee themed, and another is bread themed, which is totally my thing. I love my carbs. And the wonderful thing about living here in Italy is that it's completely normal to go out and buy fresh bread almost every morning if you wanted to. So you can see this washi tape here basically has a whole bunch of illustrated types of bread and pretzel, you can see there. And I'm semi-struggling here to try to find the beginning of the washi tape. I'm so bad at that kind of thing. And I feel like my home is also not ideal for stationery in the sense that it gets sort of damp, I guess. I don't know. We live in like an old building, so I feel like all of my adhesives and glues and things like that, they don't do very well in this kind of weather. But anyways, I finally got it, and every time I get a new washi tape or sticker sheets or anything, I will immediately use a bunch in my stationery insert here. And that really does help to sort of break that hoarding tendency to basically buy pretty things but then never use them. So I have just, let go of that. And every time I get something new, I'm going to immediately use it, even if it's the sticker sheets. And I know that sometimes that might seem a bit crazy because, you want to use your sticker sheets like in your planners or memory keeping, that you're going to be displaying them, and, getting your worth out of them, so to speak. But I try to include something, like if it's not from the sticker sheet, maybe like the freebies or something, but to use the stickers immediately, and the washi tape. So this coffee washi tape here is very, very pretty. It has like different vignettes, I guess. And you can see me battling with the adhesive yet again. But once I get it, it works perfectly fine, and it's not like breaking the washi or anything like that. So it's perfectly good in terms of quality. So you can see here it says like coffee first, and there's like little vignettes of like you enjoying coffee or different types of like coffee scenes. So you definitely can cut out the little ovals, or you can just use the whole thing as a tape as well. So I'm adding it into my insert here, and just wanting to show all the different vignettes before it repeats, even though there's actually more than this, but that's how much would fit on the page, so I just left it at that. And wanted to like use those washis. And so those are the two washi tapes that I got from Archie's Goodies, and you can definitely follow her on Instagram. You can find her handle there. And there was also this like vintage tag little packet, and I just really liked the neutral colors, so I decided to get that package as well. And it's a bunch of like cardstock, tag shapes with different illustrations and a little bit of a phrase. And I was actually laughing because There was one I think that was like misspelled because these are in English, but obviously that might not be the illustrator's native language, or even if it is, sometimes I think people make mistakes. It's completely fine. It's not a huge deal to me. I think it's funny, and it actually reminds me of when I was a little kid and I would buy Asian stationery, and it would always have a really funny English sentiments because I think they're like directly translated and they just like are very funny in English. But anyways, I think it's cute. So you can see all of these different tag shapes, which would be great for very neutral like collaging, and they're also sort of like coffee colors, which is something that I like. Earthy, like earth tone colors, and they have very tiny like text on them, which might be hard to read like on camera, but obviously in person you could read the little sentiments. And this was a freebie sticker, so it's like a very giant sticker. I'm gonna save that for something else. And this night sky sticker sheet I'm actually saving because I want to use that in my moon journal specifically. So anytime I see anything like celestial or moon related, I sort of immediately think, okay, I'm going to use that in my moon journal. And then anytime I see anything coffee, I will buy that because I just love coffee in general as a motif and love drinking it, and will be using it in my coffee advent. So that's it for now. If you didn't know, my name is Linda. I blog on tortagialla.com. You can go there, visit my blog, and see the post where I have lots of free printables. That's basically where I post all of my free printables on my blog. So you can go there, check out the posts, and download free printables immediately. You don't have to sign up or anything. If you want to, you can sign up for my newsletter to keep updated, but you can go straight and download free papers to download, free stationery printables, collage printables, vintage printables. Everything is on the blog on tortagialla.com. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing below and leave me a comment so I can say hello. Thanks so much.